Retainer cleaning kit. I decided just to buy this off the limb just for travel purposes. It comes with 10 pieces inside the kit. How to use, basically, it's a little kit. You peel it off, you place your retainers, place it for 90 seconds, let it soak. Stubborn stains might take 5 minutes, but I don't think it'll completely take it off. If it's calcium residue, it might take some time, or you might need a better solution or go to your dentist. Directions all here are pretty clear, standard, nothing really major. The back, it just tells you better cleaning option. The left is how this cleaning option is compared to the right, how it's easy and convenient and faster compared to the right side where it takes longer. I used to use Polydent denture cleaners. It works at a somewhat point, but not as well or tastes as well as this one. This one for travel purposes is the reason why I got it, because you can just take it, pack it, and go and have fresh, clean retainers every night. Basically, when you're peeling this, just be careful. Sometimes they'll spill it out because you peel it off too hard because it gets stuck. But then now you get your retainers, you place them on there, the bottom pieces and the top pieces if you have two of them. Push them down and just let it rest for 90 seconds. After that, it looks pretty clean, ready to go. You don't have to rinse it after. You can just place it right in your mouth and just use it. And it has a minty flavor. It's not overpowering, but you can rinse them if you like, but usually you don't have to. So that's all it is. Basically, place it in your mouth right away, spill all the solution out, and just go from there. But you want more information, the link's down below. I think it's pretty convenient, but for others it might not be. But it's another solution for another retainer cleaner. Nothing pretty crazy. But for travel purposes, I highly recommend it. Peace.